Are you a fan of Starbucks? Maybe you like their iced brown sugar oat milk shaken espresso. I'm gonna show you how to make it with our deluxe coffee machine. Super easy. You're gonna start with Nespresso pods. If you wanna make homemade espresso, you absolutely can. But our coffee machine actually will brew Nespresso capsules. So they're little like this. You just stick it in until you hear it snap. And then we're gonna make espresso. This recipe calls for 2 shots of espresso, so we'll obviously make one at a time. Go ahead and just slip it in there. I'm gonna use the silicone prep bowl just to make it easy to stir in the brown sugar and it pours well. We'll put it on the, here we go. Oh, let me show you something. If it's blinking and it's not working, it's because your arm's not down. Go ahead and pull that down. We want the 2-ounce serving. I'm gonna hit the plus button. I always do that when I'm making coffee because I like it extra bold. So it takes just about a minute to a minute and a half to produce the espresso that we want. Check that out. Look how fast that is. Since we need 2, I'm gonna show you how to remove them so I can start the second one. Now this is super hot, so you wanna be careful. And I'm just gonna use the flat side of a butter knife so I don't have to touch it. Once it's cooled, it's easy to grab with your fingers, but it's hot right now. So we're gonna do the butter knife. Go ahead and put the second one in, and then we'll just repeat. So it does give you a little bit, and then it pauses, and then it finishes out the cycle. You'll know it's done when it chimes. There, did you hear it? So now we'll go ahead and add the brown sugar, and you can see, look, that typical foam that you see on top of espresso. We're gonna add 2 teaspoons of brown sugar. Now, if you get this drink at Starbucks, how much does it usually cost? It's pretty expensive, right? Maybe $7 or $8. Doesn't cost that much to make at home. I get these Nespresso capsules online, and they are about 50 cents each, and then the rest of your ingredients are really inexpensive. We've got some oat milk, and we're gonna go ahead and add it to a cocktail shaker. Now, if you don't have a cocktail shaker, you can use a mason jar. That's totally okay. We're just gonna pour it in there. We wanna cool it off so that it doesn't just melt in our glass. Cocktail shakers are kind of fun, not just for cocktails, but for any drinks when you want to cool things off quickly. You'll see it starts to get really frosty. That means your drink is cooling down without getting watered down. Whew, that's cold. Okay, so now we're gonna put it all together. I'm gonna go ahead and take this off. And I've got my strainer here. This is such a simple drink. And then I've got another glass with some ice in it. Just gonna pour right over the top. I put in crushed ice, but you don't have to. There you are. Add your straw and a little dash of cinnamon. And there you go. You can make your Starbucks drinks at home. It's so good, and it's dairy free. Enjoy.